Well, welcome back, everybody. We're going to work on this old frigidaire again here tonight. I can see my breath. It's a little cold. Which I hope you all watched the first video. But tonight, I'm going to try to put a base underneath this thing. I got some 1 inch by 3 inch square tubing. I haven't brought it in yet. I'll bring it in a minute. And I'm going to try to make a base out of it. I don't know if I'm going to square it off or I'm going to try to curve it. I really don't know what I'm going to do yet. But tonight, I want to get a structure underneath this thing because I'm going to have to move it because right now I don't want to move it because I'm afraid it's going to fall apart. So I need to get it braced up so I can move it because I got actual paying jobs coming in. So I need to get this thing out of my way so I can get some of this other stuff going. So I got to get this thing to where I can move it. So that's going to be this episode is just building the frame for it. And if I get time, I may start putting some wood on the inside. I don't know if I'm going to get that far or not, but we'll see what happens. So, all right. Well, I'm going to be quiet and get to work. Okay. I'm one of them people now. I actually have a GoPro, so it's weird. I know, but we'll see how the footage works in this one. This is the first time trying my apparatus, and I got a follower too, so we'll see how all this works in this video. But I'm gonna start getting some measurements and get this thing cut and get to making something. Go about 20 inches, I guess. That'd work. It'd give me a good base. So I think that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, it's pretty square. I don't think we need to curve anything. Square it off. May cut some angles on it. Let's do that. See what happens. Oh my gosh, it's a lot heavier now. Well, I need something to put under it. I'll never get my fingers back under it. That'll work. There we go. I'm going to see if I can't get my nice little bandsaw that I made out. There it is. Whoever had the first idea building one of these is a genius. Taking that portable bandsaw and making you a little stand for it. I still don't have my right screws in it, but it'll work for right now. Needs some weight to it though. right, see if we can. I'm gonna have to do some twisting on it. It's gonna get us close. I'm gonna have to bend it a little bit to get it to fit the way I need it. Roughly, there it is. Do some twisting and tweaking. I think we can get something worked out here. Yep, that's how I was wanting it to look. I am happy with that. It looks real nice. This is, like I said, that refrigerator's not even straight, so we'll get it as close as we can and call it good. Cool deal. All right, I'm gonna get this thing cleaned up, weld it. All right, there it is. I think that's probably gonna be a stopping point for tonight. Looks like my little follower device isn't very, there it goes. It heard me. Okay, well, there's the frame for now. We're gonna set it up here. I think that'll work. All right, so here it is. We got it all, let me throw it on the ground. Well, we got it all fabbed up here. Then I've already spent my night down here just building this, so I'm gonna head home for the night. Then tomorrow, Saturday, whenever I come back down, I may not weld it to the refrigerator itself. I may just weld it to the safe, and that'll be more than enough to hold it. I've got a lot of weld area here that I could cover it. So, all right, well, I'm heading home for the night, and see you on the next day. All right, welcome back, everybody, to day 2 of this adventure. It is now Saturday afternoon, I guess. So I'm gonna try to get this thing welded on today, straightened up. Then see if I can't figure out what I'm going to do on the inside or close this in or whatever. But we're going to go ahead and get started on this thing. See what we can get done. Now, I apologize for the first half of this video. I edited it last night, and it was pretty pitiful on my quality. I apologize. I moved my microphone because it was way too loud. So we'll see how this is. We'll see what happens. Okay, I'm gonna get to cleaning this up, get to going. it is. Still plugged in. Watch where my GoPro is going to be this time. Okay. Now, let's see what's going to happen here. Okay. So what do I want to do back there? What am I hitting on? Hitting on this right there. So, I don't know if any of this stuff's level. I highly doubt it. Like it matters. It's mine anyways. Doing it for somebody else, I'd take more time with it. It's a little bit better. Like we're almost to the thing of just start welding it. Let's just weld it. Let's clean all this first. So I will tack it to the... Okay. Cool. Like it. All right. Let's weld it. I need power. Let y'all get a good view of my hernia I'm getting ready to give myself. All right. Here we go. Door still opens good. Still shuts good. Okay. Let's think about putting something right here. Kind of keep that. I guess that doesn't look too bad. Maybe something like that there. Let's get it cleaned up. Okay. That'll work. All right. That, okay. Cool. Solid as a rock. All right, I'm gonna put some more welds in here. This all come out of the barn where I grew up at. And before we sold the place, we took a lot of the barn wood off. They was gonna bulldoze the barn down anyway, so we wanted to save as much wood as we could. So I'm gonna try to cut it up and put it in here, but I do not know how I'm gonna do it. I may have to, I don't know yet. But we're gonna figure it out. And yes, I'm out of breath from crawling up in that loft, but all right, well, I'm gonna get to pull nails out. This is what I got going on. I just got me a board up here at the top that's just wedged against here just to hold pressure on these boards until I can get the other ones cut. Then just figure out how I'm gonna screw them all together, because I have no idea how I'm gonna do that yet. Oh, I got it backwards though. I want the muddy end at the top. All right, I mean at the bottom. I can't even talk straight. I'm getting excited because this is looking really, really good. Okay, this is looking way cooler than I thought. And yes, I am keeping the rotten hole in there. This wood took 100 years to look this cool. It's going to stay with the rot parts in it. And I'm going to figure out a way to, I don't want to drill holes through the side to mount this wood. In the back, I don't care. I'm going to run screws right through the back of it or lag bolt something. I'm going to put something back there. But I'm trying to think of a way to do this without having to use fasteners inside here through that way. I don't know for sure how I'm gonna do it, but I may just, like this is just wedged in there. And I may do that. I'm gonna cut another one, or I may move this one to the back and see how it works that way. Because I don't know if it'll work, but I'm gonna try it and just see what happens. So, all right, I just wanted to give you guys a close-up because this is looking like way cooler than I thought it was going to. So, all right, I'm gonna continue going. I'm getting excited now. Here's a general idea of it there. I don't know what I'm gonna do to finish out the top here. I haven't got that far. Just this side right here is just looking so good. And just got all the holes. I mean, I may not be able to tell, but I'm getting excited because this is above and beyond what I thought I was gonna do with this. So I'm very, very excited about it. I still need to figure out how I'm gonna do all this down here. I haven't got that far yet, but I think I'm gonna keep wedging boards in it, and we're just gonna have it's gonna be friction fastened in, I believe. The top, these are, well, they're still too loose. I'm gonna have to do something else with them. But I don't know how I wanna mount them just yet. No, I'll figure that out later, but this is going very well. I'm pleased, very well pleased. This is where I'm going to stop for a while. Like I said in the beginning, I got paying jobs coming in, so this has to be moved out of the way tonight. Because next week I got to do some traveling, to do some striping, and I got some other stuff coming in that I need to get done. So I need to quit messing with my own stuff and actually get customer stuff back in here and get to work. So, but yeah, this is really look good. There's that good barn wood look in there, and even the rotten where that board was in the ground for who knows how long. And I said it was 100 years old. I'd say this was probably 200-year-old barn that this come out of. So I'm very, very excited. And it's my childhood because we used to play in that barn all the time. So just really, really fun to use it again, I guess. And I'm glad we was able to rescue some of the wood before they tore that barn down, because I don't think the people saved any of the wood out of it. But let's make sure the door still shuts good. Oh, slick. Very nice. I need to get some lights in it too. I need to figure out how to get some lights wired up in it. All right, well, that's it. Let me spin you around here. That's going to be the end of this one, and I appreciate y'all watching all the videos and commenting. And so everybody, please comment, subscribe, share it, like it, all that stuff. Don't like it, whatever. Negative comments count good, so it's all good. And I'm going to tell you on the Hamilton Homestead portion of this, my videos, wherever you want to call it. Sorry, I'm being shaky there. That I have I'm going to say it, a sweet video coming up here, maybe a month or so. But if the people that know what I do in the wintertime, what my family does in the wintertime, don't say nothing. But if you want to take a guess, comment what you think it's going to be. And sweet is key. Not sweet like dude that's sweet, but sweet as in sweet treat, sugary type stuff. And that's as far as I'm going with that. But comment what you think that's going to be, and we'll just get something going there. But all right, I'm done, and we'll see y'all later. I appreciate you watching. Keep your welder hot and your brushes wet. We'll see you.